Make your dreams come true with a family vacation at a Holiday Inn Hotel in Hawaii or Walt Disney World Resort. These are just two of the exciting prizes you could win in the Disney Channel's Family Vacation Giveaway. Enter today. You could win the grand prize, a fabulous week-long family trip for four to the Holiday Inn Hotel in Honolulu at Waikiki Beach in Hawaii. Prize includes round-trip coach airfare and $1,000 in cash. Or maybe you'll be the first prize winner. It's a mini vacation for four at the Holiday Inn Hotel in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. You'll receive round-trip coach airfare, $500 in cash, and passes to Walt Disney World. There's also a super second prize, a weekend getaway for four to the Holiday Inn Hotel of your choice, plus $100 cash. And there's more. 50 lucky third prize winners will each receive a Great for Travel Disney Channel garment bag. Look for your entry form and complete sweepstakes details in the November-December issue of the Disney Channel magazine, or print your name, address, and telephone number on a plain 3x5 piece of paper and send it by January 31st, 1991 to the Disney Channel's Family Vacation Giveaway, Post Office Box 4439, Blair, Nebraska 68009. So enter now, and maybe you'll be a winner in the Disney Channel's Family Vacation Giveaway.